Supreme Court has modified its earlier order on stray dogs. A three-judge bench has ruled that all street dogs, except those with rabies or showing aggressive behavior, must be vaccinated, sterilized and released back into the same area. So this is huge relief for dogs, of course, but dog lovers, activists who've been really rallying to ensure that the Supreme Court considers the plight of the street dogs as well. In fact, the court says that these dogs cannot be kept in shelters all along. They've got to be taken in, sterilized and let back. And those aggressive dogs should be kept in shelters. So this is possibly the most scientific way that's possible. And Supreme Court has acknowledged it with its order. All stray dogs are now to be vaccinated. They should be sterilized and they should be released back into their comfort areas. No forced sheltering, as per the Supreme Court. Now, rabid, aggressive dogs are going to be taking shelters. They will be in shelters. No public feeding. Now, that's one thing that the Supreme Court has said, which is a landmark ruling in a way, saying that public feeding will be completely banned. And if at all you're found doing so, then you could be fined. Order applies across India, not just in Delhi. Importantly, the court has banned random feeding across streets. So, like I stress, you will be fined if you're caught feeding stray dogs just anywhere. There are designated zones we hear. Now, municipal bodies must be setting up feeding zones in every ward. This is also a directive by the Supreme Court. This comes after the earlier August 12th order that directed all strays to be rounded up in Delhi NCR region within 8 weeks' time, sparking huge protests by animal lovers at that point who call this as impractical and illegal. Animal rights activists, citizens, celebrities across India like John Abraham have written to the court reminding it of the 2024 Supreme Court ruling to treat animals with compassion. Today's order is being seen as a balanced one by the Supreme Court, bringing all pending stray dog cases across India under one umbrella. But the big question, of course, remains, what about dog bites? The number of dog bites have been reported across. Dog attacks are not just from stray dogs. We've seen brutal mauling of people by pet dogs. You know, you have a pit bull that killed a man in Chennai this week itself. There are repeated instances of pet dog attacks in lifts and in parks. Well, and yes, stray packs attacking children and elderly remain a very real danger. Vaccination and sterilization may help, but aggressive dogs can be picked up, yes, but non-dog lovers accepting stray dogs living in their neighborhoods, even with safeguards, it seems like there is going to be a certain level of resistance.